Hey guys, today I'll show you how to clean this PC using Xforce Air Dust A2s model. Let's get started. If you can see here, it's all filled with dust. You can buy compressor cans, but this is a cheaper option. Let's remove the screws. So the air duster itself comes with multiple hoses. We don't need all of these, and also it comes with a carry case. Build quality is quite good, and it's heavy also. Let's see how it performs. Currently I'm using a standard nozzle. Let's see, it has a two setting. One is medium fast and one is super fast. I think medium will be sufficient. So here it is how it looks after the first coat. I'll now add a smaller gauge for more refined cleaning. Now this is the smaller nozzle. It will produce a faster air outflow. Let's try this one. This is how it looks after cleaning.